Hey guys! I was walking here next to the sea and thinking about the language learning. Actually, when you are a self-learner, you have a lot of opportunities to learn a language nowadays. You can listen to podcasts, you can find a lot of sources online, YouTube channels and so on. You can work on your grammar, on your vocabulary, but there is one thing that a self-learner can't manage to do alone. It's making their pronunciation better. I mean, you can work on it, of course. You can listen, you can try to imitate, but you always need somebody, a native speaker, to tell you that you are doing it right and to point out some issues if you have any. And as long as you don't have a teacher to correct you, to lead you on this path, it becomes quite a challenge. But today I'm gonna give you an ultimate tool to improve your pronunciation when you are a self-learner. And this tool is native speakers. But native speakers where? Once again, I'm gonna be talking about the application called HelloTalk. I've been on it for 3 years already, and it helped me tremendously exactly with my pronunciation, because subtle things, little things that I don't notice, native speakers actually do notice and correct me. For example, for quite a period of time I was pronouncing the word omit not right. I was saying omit, but omit is not right. And until I was pointed out this thing, I didn't even guess that I wasn't pronouncing it right. Asking a native speaker if you pronounce something right or not is a good thing, but you can't bother, let's say, your Russian neighbor every time you're not sure on your pronunciation, and ask to correct you. But on HelloTalk you can do this by using a simple function, moments, which is your own posts, and you just record yourself reading a little piece of something, or just saying hi and introducing yourself, and then you put a little correct me please guys. And there are a lot of native speakers that will be willing to help you, because they are facing the same issues with the language they are learning, and actually it's your native language. It means that maybe one day they will ask you in their moments, they will ask you guys how to pronounce some English words. And right now I'm gonna show you how you can use HelloTalk functions in improving your pronunciation. So here is my HelloTalk profile. You see moments? These are posts I already made. You can see them, but if I want to create a new post, I click here on the pencil. Then I make a post or add a topic. We are interested in Help Me section. We choose Help Me Pronounce hashtag. It will help people to see your post. Then you type something like, am I pronouncing it right? Or could you correct me please? Now we need to attach a sound file. We need to be corrected or checked. I would recommend you to keep it short so you can concentrate on a certain aspect of your pronunciation, like one sentence or a few phrases. Then we just need to press post. And it's done, guys. And now I will show you how people use this function already, and apparently with a lot of success. Let's go here. We are going to my moments. I will see people who post here. In the section Help Others, I want to help, I see the guy. Okay.
Доброе утро всем.
Here in the comments you can see people who wanted to help him. You see, they are even making sound files with the right pronunciation. You see me here. Yeah, I pointed out. And here there is another guy who uses HelloTalk to correct his pronunciation a lot.
Le, li, list.
So how are my L's, like soft L? And you see people saying, reacting, sounds good, it's perfect, good pronounce, so he can be sure that he is pronouncing it right. This is really, really helpful because you never know if you are saying it right or not. So getting some feedback from people is nice. Here he even reads a story, a short story, and he is asking to listen to his pronunciation. And people react. 22 comments. Yeah, they make comments, they make some suggestions, and that is nice. You can download HelloTalk using the link in the video description or just by typing HelloTalk on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Give it a try.